In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get your Fortnite account back if you press skip this or accidentally unlinked your account on PS5 quick and easy. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you press like skip this when launching Fortnite or unlinked your account, you might log in and notice you're level 1, all your skins are going to be gone, and your locker is completely empty. Don't worry, your account is not deleted, it's just not linked properly, and to fix it, what you need to do is actually open up a web browser on a different device. For example, I'm using my PC right here, or you can use like your phone or tablet, and go to epicgames.com, hit enter, and we're going to want to sign in to the platform you originally played on, like PlayStation, for example. So sign into that up in the very top. And if you accidentally created a new Epic account when pressing skip, you may need to verify an email and finish setting up that temporary account first. But essentially log in and then click your profile name up in the top right and go to the account settings, just like so. Once you're on your account settings, you're going to need to go to either linked accounts or connections. They kind of change the name sometimes. So go to one of those two, and then you're going to see all these different tabs, just like so. Find the disconnect option for like PlayStation and go ahead and unlink it. And then from here, hit link like it says on like my Disney account and sign into your, main Epic account, just like so. From here, go back to PlayStation 5, close Fortnite if it's open, and relaunch the game, and sign back in, and your original skins, levels, and progression should now be restored. So even if you press skip, don't worry, not all hope is lost. You just need to unlink the console from the wrong Epic account and relink it to your original one. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.